Huge XRP price increase on its way after new court day. Ripple's cryptocurrency XRP has dramatically increased in the course of recent days, driven by great decisions for the organization on discovery issues in a disagreement regarding whether initial coin offerings qualified as securities offerings. Since then, crypto bulls have been out in full power via online media, strikingly declaring that Ripple, not exclusively, would win the case by and large. However, that its worth would likewise take off to $5 to $10. It's presumably reasonable to say large numbers of these crypto supporters have not watched an administrative fight like this work out under the steady gaze of in the courts, or become acquainted with the profoundly dug-in governmental issues of our administrative regulatory apparatus. On the off chance that they have had some involvement, they may detect that we are maybe still far off from the end goal. And the result is a long way from certain. Hello everyone, welcome to Future Crypto. Here you'll be informed about the daily crypto news along with the price predictions and updates. In today's video, we'll talk about the upcoming huge price increase that's on its way after the new court day and more. Ripple can only go up after its day in court. Ripple has had a wild 2021 courtesy of the U.S. Protections and Exchange Commission. A nearby shot of an XRP token with the logo and Ripple in raised content. The SEC asserted in December 2020 that the entirety of Ripple's deals of XRP had been one long, unregistered protections deal. Notwithstanding, the claim appears as though it very well may be making a beeline for a dreary end. Exactly why Ripple is doing so well as of late. Maybe the greatest thing to emerge from this claim is that it could be another legitimate way for Ripple and other altcoins. In the event that the court procedures are any marker, it would seem that Ripple will have a positive result. Notwithstanding, quite possibly things can turn out badly too. For the present, there is wary positive thinking with respect to Ripple's chances. Specialists concur that XRP coming to $5 looks pretty likely. Temporarily, crypto specialists gauge the Ripple XRP money to continue to increment with a likely high of $5. Prime XBT predicts XRP to hit the $5 level and arrive at a potential high of $20. The crypto market is developing every day. Numerous individuals are currently centered exclusively around this market, inconclusively. There are numerous ways by which one can develop with regards to crypto exchanging, and the chances are practically perpetual. In the 21st century, we've seen a wide assortment of actual resources being changed into advanced resources. As of late, the cryptocurrency market has extended immensely with numerous coins outperforming past assumptions. Bitcoin, for example, has ceaselessly driven itself higher than ever as far as worth and acclaim. Other well-known coins incorporate Ripple and Ethereum. Crypto dealers have acquainted themselves with this developing business sector, and now everybody needs to contribute. Ripple specifically is anticipated to fill in esteem. It's assessed that Ripple could arrive at the worth of $5 in a time of 2 to 5 years, as indicated by certain specialists and market experts. Home field advantage. Although the SEC's headquarters are in Washington, D.C., a large number of its enormous fights in court are battled in New York, including the argument it documented against Ripple. Judges that are regularly more acquainted with the all-ins and outs of the protections business and its different multifaceted guidelines than they are with big tech and its move quick and break things ethos. The converse is bound to be valid in the Northern District of California, Ripple's home turf. On the off chance that a decision on whether XRP qualifies as a security eventually boils down to philosophical understandings, the organization could confront a tough ascension. Past rulings. There is another issue for Ripple with the case being recorded in New York. This is a similar court where courier application Kik lost a comparative disagreement about its cryptographic money Kin. In September, U.S. Area Judge Alvin Hellerstein decided that Kik abused protections laws when it raised $100 million through an underlying coin effort. In September, U.S. Area Judge Alvin Hellerstein decided that Kik abused protections laws when it raised $100 million through an underlying coin offering in 2017. Kik consented to pay a $5 million fine to settle the case. It is far-fetched that the judge who is hearing the Ripple case will overlook the discoveries of her colleague. Play the long game with Ripple. XRP is at a price that's extremely low compared to other big cryptocurrencies at its recent highs. It has to do mainly with two factors. One is the issue we've already discussed, that of the SEC lawsuit. The other is the state of the general crypto world, which is facing increased regulation and scrutiny. For example, China has prevented financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to cryptocurrency transactions. However, regardless of the regulatory activity, the utility of cryptocurrency is such that you cannot brush it aside. Take Ripple as an example. At its heart, Ripple is a payment settlement system and currency exchange network that can facilitate transactions between a variety of fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and even commodities like gold. It's also one of the fastest-growing currencies despite being a late entrant to the game. One of its most impressive features is the speed of transactions. Ripple enables you to complete a transaction in 3 seconds. Traditional systems would ask you to wait for days. Meanwhile, sending Bitcoin can take anywhere from seconds to more than 60 minutes. It can handle more than 1,500 transactions per minute with incredible accuracy and consistency. It is scalable for the same throughput as major financial systems such as Visa. In addition, it takes just 0.0001 XRP to complete a transaction. Very cost-effective when you compare it to traditional banking channels. Most importantly, XRP enjoys wide institutional interest. Banco Santander, Axis Bank, Yes Bank, American Express, Bank of America, and other notable corporations all over the globe. Finally, XRP was designed with sustainability in mind and is one of the first truly carbon-neutral blockchains. Ripple lawyers say SEC citing irrelevant evidence in XRP lawsuit. The SEC has referred to more than 70 other related claims with an end goal to guarantee that Ripple had been set straight in regards to their issuance of XRP and thus should have realized that their token was unlawful. Notwithstanding, Ripple's legal counselors contend that this case isn't simply questioned, yet it is exceptionally deceptive. As indicated by the lawyers, a large portion of the cases that the SEC has referred to in the report by Cornerstone Research include introductory coin contributions, ICOs, which Ripple didn't do, and the other half don't relate to the issuance of advanced resources like XRP. 37 of the 75 cases cited in the Cornerstone report, approximately 50% of the total, did not involve the sale of any digital assets at all. Many of those cases involved the sale of unregistered shares in companies that, in turn, had some connection to the cryptocurrency industry. Ripple obviously could not have taken notice that the SEC would view sales of XRP as a securities offering from cases involving the sale of unregistered stock, a traditional violation of Section 5. Other than its case against Ripple, all 37 of the remaining cases the SEC has brought involving digital assets were in the context of an ICO. The SEC doesn't allege that Ripple engaged in any ICO. Ripple demonstrated in its opposition brief that there was not fair notice that the Securities Act's registration requirements would apply to sales of digital assets outside the ICO context. The attorneys likewise note that the SEC had recently alluded to Bitcoin and Ethereum as currencies. While the SEC has cautioned the market about ICOs, it gave express direction to the market that the two other grounded digital forms of money, Bitcoin and Ether, were not protections. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope it was a big help to you. Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thank you for watching.